So children, have you ever seen a cricket match? It's super exciting, right? Well, during the game, you might have heard some words like four, sixer, wide, and many more. You also must have noticed that during a match, the commentator jumps up and shouts, "Woohoo! A century has been scored!" And everyone in the stadium is filled with joy. So students, in this video, we will be understanding what actually a century means. We will understand this in a very fun way. Children, let's look at Ria, who is watching a cricket match on TV with her parents between India and South Africa. Dhoni is batting and has scored 96 runs till now. Only one more ball is left. Ria's dad, worried, says, "Will Dhoni be able to complete his century?" Ria, confused by her dad's statement, asks her mom what a century meant. Ria's mom explained, "Century means 100. It is just another word that is used to show exactly 100 things. So here in the cricket match, a century means 100 runs. So students, now can you tell how many runs Dhoni needs to make in the one ball left to complete his century? Let's see. We just understood that century means 100. Dhoni has scored 96 runs. We will subtract 96 from 100 to find out how many more runs are needed. 100 minus 96. We will write the place values first, ones, tens and hundreds, and make dotted lines to separate them. Let's start with ones place. We cannot subtract 6 from 0 as 6 is greater than 0. So we will need to borrow. We borrow from the tens place. What do you see, students? The tens place is itself a 0. What will we do now? Don't worry, we will borrow from the hundreds place. Take 1 from hundreds column. 1 becomes 0 in the hundreds column. 100 is equal to 10 tens. So, add 10 to 0 in the tens column. So, in the tens place, we have 10. Now, the ones place borrows from the tens place. Take 1 from 10. It becomes 9 in tens place. And the ones place becomes 10. So, 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. In tens column, 9 minus 9 is 0. And in hundreds column, we have 0. So, the final answer is 4. Dhoni needs just 4 more runs to complete a century. Students, now that you know what a century means, let's look at Ram and Sham playing cricket together. At the scoreboard, we can see runs made by each of them. Let's answer the following questions. Ram has scored 254 runs. How many more runs does he need to make a triple century? Children, when a batsman scores 200 runs, we call that a double century as it is 100 plus 100 equal to 200. So, 2 times a century. When a batsman scores 300, we can call that a triple century. 100 plus 100 plus 100 is equal to 300. It is 3 times a century, so a triple century. To find how many runs Ram needs to complete a triple century, we will subtract 254 runs from 300. We make dotted lines to separate the columns and start with ones place. 4 is greater than 0. So we borrow from tens place. Tens place also has a 0. We borrow from hundreds place. 300 becomes 200 in the hundreds place as we borrow 100 from it. Tens place becomes 10 as 100 is 10 tens. Ones place also borrows from tens place, so that 10 in tens place becomes 9 and ones place is 10. Now, in ones place, 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. In tens place, we have 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Hundreds place, we have 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So, Ram needs 46 runs to complete a triple century. Now, let's look at Sham. Sham has scored 143 runs. How many more runs does Sham need to make 3 more than 1.5 century? Students, 1.5 century means 100 plus 50 is equal to 150 runs. And 3 more than 1.5 century means 150 plus 3, which is equal to 153. Sham has scored 143 runs. We will subtract 143 from 153. 153 minus 143. In ones place, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. In tens place, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Hundreds place has 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Sham needs only 10 more runs to make 3 more than 1.5 century. Children, this brings us to the end of our video. I hope you had fun understanding this topic. Now, let me tell you an interesting way to learn more with the EduRev app. Do you know that you can read the notes of this chapter and can also solve worksheets of this topic on the EduRev app? And not just maths. You also get courses for EVS, Science, English, Hindi and all other subjects in the EduRev app. Go ahead and join the EduRev app to learn in the most interesting way. Thank you.